Today's project was actually well thought out. Had the concept in my mind, everything was planned, and somewhere along the line I screwed the pooch and things went south, as you guys will see here in a few. I hope you folks enjoy this video. By the way, I'm using a piece that was part of the 3-bowl wood turn. Figured I didn't want to waste it, so I'm repurposing it in this particular project. Project, I'm realizing that I mounted the piece backwards, and the tapered end, which would have normally been the bottom, is now the top. And to compensate for that, I'm going to have to remove more epoxy and wood. That's going to have a major effect on the outcome of this project. I should have made the grooves a lot deeper. It wouldn't have been that big of a deal, but I didn't. So now I'm paying the consequences for not planning that portion of the project out. At this point in time, I don't see the point of keeping any of the epoxy. There's just a very thin layer left. I'm not going to be able to turn this piece that thin. It doesn't serve any purpose. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and I'll figure it out. So here I am at the end of another video. It didn't work out the way I planned, but it is what it is, and I'm starting to get used to it. So if you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.